It's barely even got a tack on it.
Oh, don't get too close then.
Yeah, wait for the front of the car.
Ooh. What are those, training wheels?
No, they're so when my front end comes down, it hits the weight and
it skims.
Crash bars.
I see.
It's like that, yeah.
I think you're full of it. Cross that mark.
All right, good deal.
So bolts are now tight in the brakes.
On the caliper?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's, you need those.
We won't tell you who did that.
Nope. It wasn't me though. The only person who will know is the person who's watching this. There's one person who's watching this.
And we're not going to give you up.
No.
How we look? Oil pressure, battery voltage, coolant, AFRs are good.
Pressure's good.
Not bad.
Map sensor's working. How are your brakes?
The first time you hit them, they feel pretty good. Second time you hit them, they feel really good, a lot better. But it takes a little effort now that they're manual. We'll watch.
I mean,
So it's pretty good.
better than nothing. You ain't locking them up, that's for sure.
No, and the proportioning valve to the rear is all the way open, but I wish it had a little bit more to the rear. But we'll run them a while, let them break in, see how it does.
You're driving around within 2%, so I'm happy with
Beautiful.
that. When you find some open road, I'd like to see what it makes on the gate.
I'm not allowed to turn that little blue button on.
No. You can, I'll just make it 0. Here's my view. This, or this, or this, or this.
She's idling at 850, a little higher. Between 850 and 900. It'll work.
I'll bring her down a little for you. You like that? Dropped it like 40,
Dropped a little
40,
bit, yeah.
40 RPM.
Now she's loud. 350s. It's a turbo. Thank you. 190. I don't like that. I may have to get a different fan. This cheap fan doesn't work so good.
It's an LS.
Yeah, they like 200 degrees.
As long as you're under 210, you're fine.
why is it so different between the turbos? I mean, this one's large. I didn't expect it to take that much.
The exhaust side of your turbo is way bigger.
Moving that much $6,000, and she really starts putting you back in the seat.
You can brake boost a little, build some.
Right, try to get it. It's a big turbo.
Yeah. The small turbo doesn't care where you mat it. It's going to light off instantly no
It
matter
gave me
what.
boost right away. Yeah.
These bigger turbos got to get to 4 or 5 pounds before they start
Right.
lighting.
That was 7,000.
Yeah, I saw 9 pounds. She was pulling good there at the end.
She likes RPM, doesn't she?
Yeah. Big cam.
Yeah, they're bedded in now. Hey, she's down to 186 degrees, 185 degrees already, just cruising.
See, you got the opposite of mine. I have no airflow when I'm driving.
Right. So
And
you
it's
climb.
low fan.
You climb when you cruise.
You have great airflow when you're cruising.
terrible
Yeah,
fans.
terrible fan.
Yeah, mine idles. I slowly watch it come up and idle. Although we were idling quite a while in traffic on 30, it did fine.
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with it. I'm seeing 40 pounds of pressure, oil pressure. Battery's 13.5 volts. AFR was a hair lean when I let off.
Hey, it's nice you having the same injectors as me. These V8 VE tables. Freaking close, dude.
Nicer than those other injectors, huh?
Yeah. Well, it's just, I already had a nice VE table built.
Right. Gave me a head start. Oh yeah, I barely heard that shift. I'm not going to hear this car shift
Oh.
when I'm on it.
Oh.
It's going to be in converter. I'm not going to have a 1500 RPM extension, shift extension like I did with that other converter. Okay, there's the Curry truck we wrapped.
Yep. Yeah, 500 RPM drop is going to be way better than 1500.
Yep. If I shift at $7,000, I'm above that peak torque. I'm keeping it above it.
Yeah.
A lot safer for this stock bottom end. Awesome.
She's doing good.
She is. Oh, last time I turned that switch on, I got in trouble.
You did get in trouble.
My tuner was not happy with me. My tuner says it's okay.
I turned the dome down.
Boost control's on.
Boost control is on.
All right.
I didn't hear your compressor kick on though.
Should have had air in it. It wasn't leaking before.
Mine leaks.
Yeah, no, mine wasn't.
Yeah, this is 5 pounds on the dome.
Felt pretty good. Boy, when you hit $6,000 is when she starts waking up, man.
$6,000 and like 7. Only made 13, 14 pounds.
Pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with it. She's getting there, man.
First time we tried test driving a couple hours ago, we didn't make it 5 feet, so
It is a little clunk.
drove it around a few miles.
We didn't try the brake.
Well, the brake's gonna work.
I know, but how much?
How much you gonna build?
Right.
I don't know. I don't know what all those tables look like.
Anything looks bad, you let me know.
It's gonna target 7 pounds. I don't know what your bump is though.
I don't even know if the bump will work. Bump didn't work.
What RPM was that?
4,000.
Really?
Yeah. At least on the gauge, on the tack.
I can't believe how fast it got to 4,000.
It went 4,000 like
That was
that.
almost weird.
Why? Worked better than when the converter was in your car?
It felt tighter in my car, that's for sure.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it only built 2 pounds the whole time?
I wasn't on it very long.
You were on it for
A couple seconds.
Yeah, when you first hit it, it kind of stumbled.
Yeah.
Like it had too much fuel or not enough fuel. It went lean for a split second.
Did it?
Yeah. Well, first test drive.
Not bad. I'm pretty happy actually. Bump isn't commanding for some reason, but everything else is working.
Yeah, we'll have to double check that wire.
Yeah, there's something. It's behind the dash. I gotta pop the cluster out.
Oil pressure's
Cool.
good.
Oh yeah.
Coolant temperature's
great.
staying good. Made about 13.5, 14 pounds of boost with the boost control on.
She gets it to 7,000
Make-
RPM.
Makes
man.
about 9 pounds with boost
With it
controller off.
Yeah. A little
And
more
then
than I
makes
thought
like
it would.
6 with
Through
the
the
cutout
muffler.
closed.
Through the muffler.
And spool's way
Over that a
slower.
little bit. Yeah,
But-
it doesn't spool really easy.
Oh yeah.
We definitely burned in brakes today.
Good. Hopefully they're feeling a little better, huh?
That was a good test drive. Yeah, they're actually really starting to feel pretty good. The first pump, I wish it stayed up a little higher, but man, second pump it's like right there. But it's rock solid, so it's working. I'm very happy with these Willwood brakes, and I bought the used ones, or I bought the rear ones used. But yeah, 4-wheel disc brakes, Willwood brakes all the way around. We went to manual instead of power. Now we've got the cutout and exhaust.
Got your full interior back in.
Yeah, I'm not happy where the cutout is exiting. I need to move that back a little bit yet.
Full interior.
Yep. I didn't get the
Street car.
seat covers.
Street car, full interior.
Oh, how did I get scratched there? Something hit it there. Look at that.
Street car. Shane is show queen.
You-
You driver.
I didn't get my new seat covers on there yet. I want them.
No, that's a weekend project. You got it going.
Yeah, it's going. We can enjoy it now.
Yep. You're going to a cruise in tonight.
Yep.
That'll
Mom and
be
I are
fun.
going on a hot date.
Give me some footage
So,
while you're out.
I want to. Okay, definitely. I'll take that with.
And we'll do a test drive, first drive video.
I lost a nut here when the bumper was off, and I forgot about it.
Yeah.
So I got to try to work that back. So I got some little things to do yet.
Looking good.
It is.
First test drive video.
I'm happy.